Welcome to DJ
My people, greet una, welcome una once again to DJ MTV. Una WhatsApp channel where they summer una with ogbonge tori, trendy tori as the odds. My people, So yesterday, we report say this hardship wey be say just dey Naija like this wey be say everywhere get as e be. Say the thing wey this don cause protest. People don dey come out dey say hunger dey o, government this, government that, and this protest na for north and west na dem really carry this protest put for head. As in the northerners don tey wey dem start their own dey cry up and down say hunger dey o. West sef come join. Oyo state sef dem join yesterday, dem come still join for the protest dey talk this and that. Now we come say wetin happen to southeast, wetin happen to south, dem no even join for this whole hardship protest. Wetin dey sup for there? So the whole thing come dey make us dey ask questions, say wetin dey happen. Na one side of Nigeria na this protest dey abi all these people no just wan join them? So my people, today so south is the south is the Igbo people, na so dem know them in general. The Igbo people, the southeast people, they don come outside though. They don begin their own pattern of protest. Not be small thing o. Una need to see this video. Una know wetin dey happen for southeast unto this whole hardship gbege. Una know say the northerners dey cry say they no want Temilokun again. West sef dey cry say they no want Temilokun again. Una hear the version of the one wey dey talk for southeast. Wetin dem dey talk say they want. Una just watch, we dey come back.
So this man called me that I should come and agree. They are flexing. They said they love people's government, and they say no Igbo man should join any protest.
Yes, so
it's not that time.
yes.
If we want you before and you refuse to leave, good government good for you guys.
Protesting. The Igbos are protesting. We are protesting. You can see all the Igbos. We are protesting. You can see the Igbos. We are protesting. We are protesting. See the Igbos. We are protesting. You can see. We are all protesting. This is how we do our own protest. This is how we do our own protest with the Igbos.
Hey, my people, not be small thing o. All these our southeast brothers, our Igbo brothers, dem funny not be small. Una hear wetin dey talk for that video. Una think say dem wan carry ball dey run up and down dey cry say hunger dey, hardship dey. No be Igbo people una dey expect for that kind thing. Igbo people can never do that. If money dollar go up, they increase their price. Na so e just be for their business. That is it. So this 8 years wey be say we don sign so for our new president, so e go complete o. No be joke. According to wetin our Igbo brothers dem dey talk, they say e go complete. E go complete. So make all these people just let person hear word so that we go just suffer, just manage ourselves, make this thing complete, because he's already there. Anyway, people, the updates will carry come on like this video. So I understand our business. Make una drop una comment. So make una don't forget to like and share, and also follow us for all our social media handles. Now do well. See you all in our next video.
DJ AP.